really tough to find your rhythm sometimes.
Chris Chu. Ganda ng pasa kay Almazan pero masyadong malakas. Was behind him a bit. Ito si Romeo, atake agad. Iniwan para kay Doc Kramer. What a find from Terrence Romeo.
Beautiful pass.
Oh, seems to be blood
Oh, wow.
coming from the face of Terrence Romeo. So, Coach Pido Harenzo, immediately, sinasabihin niya yung mga doktor ng Global Port, you better patch that up. I need this guy in the game.
We're talking about momentum here too, Charlie. I mean, obviously Global Port has the momentum. Now all of a sudden he has to come out of the game. We don't know how long he's going to be out of the game to stitch that up. But that changes the momentum, changes the rhythm and timing for Global Port.
Well, it was oozing out, so the referee, no choice para
You have to.
kundi pituhin yung whistle niya. At yun na nga, kailangan ayusin ito at mapigil muna ang pagdaloy ng dugo sa mukha nito si Terrence Romeo. Yun nga sinabi ni Ali a while ago, hindi natin alam kung gaano katagal mangyayari yun. Pero kung ikaw si Coach Pido Harenzo, you're wishing na maayos agad yan. Kasi kailangan nga, 9:56 pa natitira rito at 4 lang ang labang ng kanilang koponan. There's a lull right now. This could work against
That's right.
the teams. Just look at it, what happened on that play. As he went around, boom, right there. That elbow. The elbow of Raymond Almazan. That's a sharp elbow right there, Ali.
Been caught by many of those. He didn't see him.